Business ethics didn't start with modern scandals. A lot of it was shaped during the Industrial Revolution. Before factories, most businesses were small and local. Owners knew their workers. Customers knew who made the product. If a business treated people badly, the community usually found out. Responsibility was clearer. Industrialization changed that. Factories scaled work up fast. A single owner could profit from decisions that hurt people they never met. And when harm becomes distant, it's easier to ignore. The biggest ethical shock was labor. Industrial jobs often meant long hours, dangerous machines, low pay, and little protection. Child labor became common because it was cheap and families had few options. Many owners didn't frame these choices as ethical questions. They framed them as costs. As businesses grew, responsibility spread out. Investors, executives, managers, and supervisors created layers between decisions and consequences. That's where a modern problem begins. Diffused responsibility. When everyone controls a little, it becomes easy for everyone to say it wasn't really their call. Competition also pushed ethics downward. If one factory paid more or improved safety, it risked losing to a competitor selling cheaper goods. That pressure created a familiar excuse. If we don't do it, someone else will. Industrialization also created early supply chains. Consumers bought cheaper products without seeing the working conditions or environmental damage behind them. That raised a question we still argue about today. Who is responsible for harm that happens far away? The company, the consumer, the investor, or the government? Now think of it like a puppy who lost its way. A puppy doesn't become dangerous because it wants to. It gets turned around. It chases a smell, follows noise, gets distracted, and suddenly it can't find home. It starts making survival choices instead of good choices. Not because it's evil, but because it's confused, hungry, and alone. That's what happened to business ethics when industry scaled up. The home was clear responsibility and visible consequences. But the new world was louder and faster. Profit became the strongest scent. Competition became the noise. Distance made the harm harder to see. And businesses started making survival decisions inside a system that rewarded speed and cost-cutting over care. And just like a lost puppy needs guidance, boundaries, and sometimes someone to pick it up and bring it back, industrial society needed guardrails. Workers organized. Journalists exposed abuses. Reformers demanded change. Laws and inspections grew because the scale of harm demanded